你睇下啲風，你淨係睇下啲雪就知道佢好個風速好厲害啊！23至29啊！望下先，大風雪。今朝早都唔係好厲害，不過而家越嚟越厲害啦！嗱，鏟雪車，咁而家咧6點鐘咧就已經係停咗㗎啦，基本上係唔可以有車出行嘅，所以除咗一啲必須嘅，例如放狗啦 ，OK， 都冇車㗎啦，已經停晒。鏟雪車啦，救護車啦，呢個係華爾街區。哇，好厲害啊！呢個係威廉街 Exchange Place。哇哇哇哇 ！He need the shoes 好凍啊！好凍啊！變咗雪狗啊！威廉街嗱，大家欣賞下嗰個嘅雪暴啊！今日會可能差唔多2尺雪都唔出奇喎。咁啊已經咧進入緊急雪暴緊急狀態啦。咁因為有鹽啊，所以而家你見到咧呢度都還可以行啊。其實其他嗰啲咧都好惡劣嘅，尤其是如果冇人行嘅地方。呢架車變咗雪糕車。好啦，去到華爾街啦，威廉街同華爾街咁勤力用返工。哎呦！哇！欣賞下啲雪，吹東北，呢邊係東近海，嗰邊係西。好啦，去到華爾街。哇！好啦，兜個圈先，影張相先。鏟雪啦！小賣部仲開喎。呢架車。好勤力啊！好啦，欣賞下啲飄雪。哇！哇！好大風啊，好多鹽啊！記者啦 ，Essential 啊，放狗啦，哇，好凍啊，好凍好凍，着咗2條褲。哇，推雪車，華爾街啊！呢排都係 華爾街都大件事係嘛？小散戶做雪人啊，出嚟玩啊！地鐵係開嘅。啊！呢個暴風的女孩啊，唔係，而家係暴風的女孩啊。啊！Oh, hi. Wow. It's so cold. You're still here.
Yeah.
Wow. Can you tell me like what you are protesting about in the cold weather?
Back in 2008 during the home crisis, my family lost everything.
Oh,
And these guys walked away, multi-billionaires,
okay.
with the prime mortgages that they were giving out that wasn't worth anything.
Mm-hmm.
And I was able this past month to pay off my debt, pay off my family's debt, all thanks to just the Wall Street bets. And
Wow.
I'm just here just to say that the families that weren't able to get out, you're not forgotten. Just keep
Okay.
trying. That's it. Just myself.
Okay.
I was able
Wow.
to pay off my family debt in a month. And it just shows how fraud this is. That's it.
So how you think about lately?
sorry?
How you think about lately the happen of the GameStop?
Yeah, that's what I made over $100 grand in
Oh,
less
wow.
than a month from it. And I paid off my debt. I got my parents a house, and I was able to bring my family
For
back.
real?
Yep. And
That's
why-
excited.
and that's why I'm here.
Then you got
But
you get back what you lost.
Yeah, but it's not all about money. It's to show how fraud this is. It's not all about the money.
Wow, it's amazing.
Thank you.
It's amazing.
Yeah.
Even you gain money,
Yeah.
but you still insist to fight for injustice.
Yep.
You fight for justice for people that fair trade.
Yep.
It's not only the huge fund. Can I have your name?
David.
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 Yep.
So I'm going to put it in the YouTube. Is it okay?
Yeah. It's okay.
So I'll let you say some slogan or something.
I'm sorry.
You can say some slogan and
Some
something.
slogan?
Yeah, there's something like you want to make your statement.
Keep holding. Keep holding. Keep holding.
Today the first day of 2021, February 1st. We are in the Wall Street area in a snowstorm day, and we still see protesters along to fight for justice for normal people. Wall Street. Woo! Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Stay warm.
Bye.